So guys, good morning again. As I said before, my name is Martin. I'm your driver guide today. I will be taking you up to, fingers crossed, the beautiful Highlands of Scotland to find some beautiful and smelly hairy coos and hopefully a big beautiful monster. Yeah. So guys, before we do that, I have to do a very quick safety briefing with you, just in case anything happens, so you know what to do and where to go. Okay, by law we have to do this, guys, so bear with me. So guys, we have two emergency exit doors on this coach. One is in the middle of the coach on your right hand side. Go down the wee steps, you will see a red kind of stick in front of you. Pull that down, it's a wee lever. The door will release, it will pop open and you can make your way out there. Same at the front here, guys, just above the door you have the red lever. Just pull it down, the door will release and you can jump out the side. Now guys, if we cannot get out the doors, don't worry, we do have a plan B, okay? So just above your heads we have red little hammers. Take one down, guys, smash the window and you can get out there. Now, one, two, that's a bit better, it's not too loud. So guys, now if we cannot get out the windows, you're like me, we're absolutely screwed. Usually buses have hatches in the roof, but this is a very posh one and it doesn't, so yeah, we're screwed. Now guys, the gangway, please keep clear at all times. This way, when we do get off for photographs, we do not trip up and break our necks, okay? And you can't sue me. Now guys, every seat on this coach has a seat belt. By Scots law, you must wear a seat belt. Yeah. Now if you're caught without a seat belt on, it will cost you up to £500. So please, if you haven't already, clunk and click, as we say.
Hello. So, yeah.
Height of these hills is 1,600 feet above sea level. So what's that? About 418 metres tall. two of our monarchs were actually crowned there. Mary Queen of Scots and James VI of Scotland, two child monarchs. Now in the far distant skies on your right you'll see a wooded hill. That is Abbey Craig, and that's where Wallace and de Moray charged the English at Stirling Bridge. Also, you see the tower on Abbey Craig? That is the Wallace Monument. Finished off in 1869. No, 1889, sorry. It was funded by the people. No, it was 1869. It was funded by the people of Scotland and an Italian man named Garibaldi. And guys, get your cameras out. Just coming ahead of us is a beautiful wee bridge we're going to go over. Under
Good morning mga kap. We are now in Calendar area here in Edinburgh in Scotland, and it's so nice to see this place with lots of snow. Though medyo madula siya pag naapa ka na. Hello. See? So ayun. So hello mga kap. We are somewhere here in Scotland. Parang papunta kami ng Glencoe, and we just had a stopover for a bit and see the beauty. Look at the snow. Grabe. Ang kapal, oh. It's very nice. See? Pakaganda. Grabe yung snow, oh. Lalim, oh. Ganun siya kakapal. And yeah, iba yung experience. So nice. Our engines at the front. Yeah. We're a van. That's my wife. Oh, that's why. So hinahanap yung misis ko, hindi ko makita. I think she's in. Here she is. Grabe ang kapal ng snow doon, banda. Lububog yung pa ako. So yun, pipicture muna kami and mag-stretch. Anto. Isa pa.
Video.
Ano?
Haggis.
Bidyat.
Ning. Tingin na.
The mountains are nice. Another stopover to have a picture. Just a quick one and to stretch a bit. Happy? Ayan siya. Diyan siya nakatungtong. So, it's really, really, really nice. Pakaganda. So, we are now at the Commando Memorial. Grabe lumulubog yung pa ako mga kap. We're now here at the Commando Memorial. At isa nag-enjoy. Ayan. These are the Commando Memorial. Ito na siya. Wait lang. Ayun. And we're quite on top already. Isa nag-enjoy.
Mapindot.
Dali na, bumusin na sa likod.
Isa.
So mga kap, we are now in Loch Ness. At maghahanap kami ng mga kainan dito. And this is the Caledonian Canal. And too bad hindi umaano yung mga boats ngayon, like hindi operational because of the bad weather, because of the severe weather that they have. Just tignan nyo naman, puro snow. So, okay, dito ka.
Dito masyado kasi yung ito.
Ayan. Hawak ko muna. Ay, sige lang din. So, ayun. So, ayun mga ka. If, this place is a must visit. So sayang yung cruise dito sa Loch Ness kasi nga hindi sila operational ngayon. Gawa nga ng severe weather. So we like to have an hour and a quarter here to check the city and to look for something to eat. So ito yung cruise na dapat na gagawin namin ngayon, kaso nga look at the boats, puro sila snow and it's really bad weather here. Well, for them it's a bad weather, pero sa amin nag-enjoy kami makita to. So yun, hanap muna kami ng mga kainan. So this is Nessie. Yan yung hahanapin mo dun sa cruise. So ayan, ang ganda, puro snow, sin puting-puti ang makikita niyo mga kap dito. Look at the house. Grabe ang kapal ng snow, oh. Sorry, thank you. So ito, got frozen already. Then there's a dam in here. At yeah, medyo madulas. Fish and chips? Pwede naman, sige. So, when you're here, di mo magagawang kumain sa labas. Kasi, tingnan niyo yung snow. Covered ng snow yung mga tables and chairs nila. Look how thick the snow is. Ayan. So ganyan nga kapal ng snow dito sa Loch Ness. Tingnan nyo, lubog ang paa ko. This one's closed. The Legion. And fish and chips. Kaso, it's closed. Ayan. Ayan sa kakapal. And there's a nice view in there. So mga kap, we need another stop over to get a picture of this nice Loki. Man, it's really nice, huh? And merong live McCoy store. Man. So here it is. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are here on our last stop with the Big Hairy Goose. Smile. Smile ka. See? Goose. And a big one. And it's a big one.
So that's the male. The male's actually the smaller of the two. But you can always tell the male when the swans come to the front.
Male siguro.
Ito ata yung male.
So that's how you can always tell a male from a female. Yeah. Well, he's a lot younger than what she is. You'll notice she's bigger. And if you've got any food and you go to him, she'll come up and he'll run away. But she's a boss. No, she.
So we are now leaving these Big Hairy Gooses. I think this is the last stop before heading back to Edinburgh. So Martin kept his promise to drop by here for the Big Hairy Goose, and it's our first time seeing that one. So first time to touch it. At yung buhok niya parang parang buhok ng hindi naligo na ilang araw, ganong matigas. So this is our bus, and yep, we are going back to Edinburgh. And that's it. We are now back here in Edinburgh, and that tour was great. So, yun nga. Just like in Southampton, all of the shops are closed already. Parang ganda bumili ng mga crescent, no? For the coat. So yeah. All of the shops are closed. Wala nang bukas. There are some gift shops in here. Royal Mile. So, yeah. So, kung gusto nyo ng mga medyo medieval setup or like medieval times na setup, go here in Edinburgh to check this one. And somebody's playing a windpipe.
Amoy pa to ni Harry ko.
Ayun. Yeah, so ito na lang pala yung mga open, yung mga pub. And Deacon still open. We're going there. Ito pala, mahal, may daan dito. So, yun. We'll see you back in the hotel. So, hello again mga kap. Balik na kami sa hotel. Nakapag-version up na rin. And we're just relaxing. Watching some movie. Napapansin yung suot ko. Same nung kagabi. Huwag din na siyang pansinin. Isang pantulog lang ang dala ko. So, I'm just gonna relax and enjoy the night. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Right? Good night. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Night.